Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to take a new article, capacitors and capacitances. Now in the previous year, that is 11th standard, we have studied resistor. Along with the resistors, we have seen resistivity, we have seen conductance. These terms we have studied also, and we have mugged up also. But now, while making the application of this resistor, we find that when the current is allowed to pass through this electric component, that is resistor, this resistor only does the job means of heating, means it dissipates the heat, it gives out the heat. But the current, when it is passing through this component, cannot be used to store the electrical energy. And for that purpose, we are going to make a study where a component will help us in storing the electrical energy. For that purpose, we are going to take two conductors. These are like the two metal plates on which the two charges will be kept of different positive charges on one conductor and negative charges on the other conductor. Now these two conductors will be separated by some finite distance, and in between these two conductors we are going to introduce a dielectric medium. So these two conductors are namely called as conductor 1 and conductor 2. And on these conductors we are going to place a charge on first conductor plus capital Q charge, and on the second conductor minus capital Q charge. Plus capital Q charge means total number of charges, positive charges, and minus capital Q means total number of negative charges. Now these two plates will create a potential difference because one is positive and one is negative. Therefore, one voltage will be higher and one voltage will be lower, and this together will form a potential difference. V is equal to V1 minus V2. So we will first of all try to focus on the figure now. Now let us see the principle of capacitors. Now in the figure you will see that we have drawn two sets. One is called as A set and the other is called as the B set. In first figure, what we are going to do? Now in short, I will briefly explain this principle. First of all, I will take a metal plate P1. When I will take a plate P1, I am going to place the number of charges, and this total number of charges is equal to plus Q, capital Q. Now this plate is having some area. We will take a rectangular plate and therefore we call that area as A. Now second, now as we have placed the positive charge plus capital Q on the plate P1, therefore capacitance is equal to, आता पहिली प्लेट आहे तर C1 म्हणू आपण त्याला, is equal to Q upon V. So this is the capacitance formula of the first plate P1 mentioned by equation 1. Now near to the plate P1 we are going to take another plate P2 which is insulated. An insulated metal surface of plate P2 is taken. Now what happens? Due to this positive charge, by induction process, automatically a negative charge is formed on the inner plate, inner face of the plate P2. And by this negative charge, again by induction process on the outer face, positive charge is induced. म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिकली काय झालं, ही नुसती प्लेट आणली आपण ह्याच्या सहवासामध्ये, तर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज तयार झाले. हे जसं हा पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज निगेटिव्ह इंड्यूस करतो, हा पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह, असं करत करत हे झालं. त्याच वेळेस हा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज इंड्यूस करतो बाहेरच्या बाजूने प्लस प्लस. सो वी फाइंड दॅट induction takes place and therefore negative charges are formed on the inner side of the plate 2 and on the farther face म्हणजे बाहेरच्या सरफेसवर by induction process positive charges are formed. Now if you see that these negative charges will lower the potential of P1. कारण काय करतं आहे, नेगेटिव्ह चार्जेस पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जला ओढण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. देअरफॉर वी से दॅट इंड्यूस नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज लोअर्स द potential of P1 and induce positive charges raises its potential. म्हणजे बाहेरच्या बाजूने जे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस तयार झाले त्याने मात्र पोटेन्शियल वाढतं. सो नाव व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू डू बिफोर डुईंग समथिंग हिअर, वन मोर पॉईंट आय वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लेन इज ॲज इंड्यूस नेगेटिव्ह चार्जेस इज क्लोजर टू P1, देअरफॉर इट इज मोर इफेक्टिव्ह. परिणामकारक आहे नेगेटिव्ह चार्जेस P1च्या पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेसला, म्हणजे परिणाम दाखवून देतं. आणि परिणाम काय करते, रिडक्शन इन potential of P1. But on outer surface there is no reduction. But now in the outer surface we are connecting the outer side plate P2 to the earth. We call it as a grounding. When we call it as a grounding, these positive charges will travel to the earth and therefore we say that they are shorted. When they are shorted, this means that now this condition is safe for handling the purpose. नाही तर ही जर कंडिशन असते तर शॉक बसला असता, पण आता हे सगळे चार्जेस कुठे गेले, जमिनीत गेले. सो इट इज सेफ. नाव when we have brought the second plate, then V1 is the potential on P2. आता आपण काय म्हणूया, P2चं पोटेन्शियल V1 due to the negative charge minus Q. Therefore net potential of this system will be plus V minus V1. मग फॉर्म्युला कॅपॅसिटन्सचा त्याला C2 म्हणू, Q अपॉन V1 मायनस V2. हे जर दोन इक्वेशन 1 and this equation, if we compare, we find that C2 is greater than C1. And this finally we say that the capacity of P1 is increased by placing an identical metal plate. सारखी प्लेट ठेवली त्याच्या शेजारी P2 by connecting to the earth. Then such an arrangement is called as the capacitor, whose symbol is shown like this. So this is all about the principle of capacitor. Now we will see the capacitors arrangement. Capacitors are arranged in two different ways. Those capacitors, more than one, so we call it as a combination of capacitors. And this combination of capacitors are taken in two different methods. One is called as capacitors in series and other is called as the capacitor in parallel. So first explanation we are going to see regarding the capacitor in series. Now in case of capacitor in series, you see that now this is your first capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. Now we call it as conductor 1, conductor 2, conductor 3. The first plate of the first conductor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, that is potential V. The second plate of the first conductor is connected to the first plate of the second conductor, and second plate of the second conductor is connected to the first plate of the third conductor, and the last but the least last plate is connected to the ground. Now here, this is the method, we call it as a 3 capacitor connected end to end manner, or a way, end to end way connection. So this is known as the combination of series. Now the potential difference applied across all the capacitors means across this we will call as V1, across this capacitor we call as V2, across this we call it as V3. So, and this V is called as the applied voltage, means we are applying with the help of the battery to all these 3 capacitors. So potential difference across all the capacitors is equal to applied potential difference. म्हणजे काय, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So now this arrangement we call it as a capacitor connected in series. So this is series combination. Now if you look according to the formula, potential difference across this system, combination of the system, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here we are writing it, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. आता आपल्याला इंडिव्हिज्युअल फॉर्म्युला फॉर फर्स्ट कॅपॅसिटर V1 काय, Q1 अपॉन C1, V2 काय, Q upon C2 plus V3 काय, Q upon C3. So this means that all these capacitors are identical, they are equal, therefore the charges which are stored are of same capacities. So hence Q will remain constant in all these 3, and therefore we get an equation V is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. Call it equation number 1. Now let C equivalent is equal to equivalent capacitance. आता हे तिन्हींचा मिळून जो एकत्र कॅपॅसिटन्स होणार आहे त्याला इक्विव्हॅलंट कॅपॅसिटन्स म्हणूया. कारण आता आपण काय करणार आहे, 3 कॅपॅसिटर एकत्र जोडलेत आणि तिन्हीचा मिळून एक कॅपॅसिटन्स होणार आहे, त्या कॅपॅसिटन्सला म्हणतो C equivalent. So C equivalent capacitance which is given by V is equal to Q upon C equivalent. Now putting this value, equation 1 becomes Q upon C equivalent is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. दोन्ही बाजूला कॉमन काय आहे, Q gets cancelled, we get 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. तर हे 3 कॅपॅसिटरच्या बाबतीत झालं हे इक्वेशन. जर n कॅपॅसिटर घेतले तर काय होईल, C3च्या पुढे प्लस डॅश 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 प्लस 1 upon Cn येईल, and therefore this is the equation for n capacitors. If all the capacitors are equal, म्हणजे सारखे किमतीचे असतील, तर 1 upon C equivalent is equal to n upon C, or C equivalent is equal to C upon n. तर हे झालं कॉम्बिनेशन मेथडचं इक्वेशन, C equivalent is equal to C upon n. त्याच पद्धतीने आता आपण एक्सप्लेनेशन द्यायचं आहे, पण आता इथे कॅपॅसिटन्स इन पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन म्हणू आपण. सो नाव plates of all the capacitors C1, C2, C3, they are connected common to the terminal A and B. म्हणजे प्रत्येक कॅपॅसिटरचं जे पॉझिटिव्ह प्लेट आहे ती कुठं कनेक्ट केली, ए टर्मिनलला, कोणाच्या, बॅटरीच्या, हुज पोटेन्शियल इज V. म्हणजे V इज कॉमन टू ऑल द first plates of conductor C1, C2 and C3. तसंच negative or second plate of all these 3 capacitors are connected to a point B, that is common terminal B, which is connected to the battery, and then this is nothing but it is also connected to the ground. So hence, now if you look, in this case, now the charges are not same because capacitance are different C1, C2 and C3. Therefore, प्रत्येकाची कॅपॅसिटी घेण्याची करंटची किंवा व्होल्टेजची काय असेल, वेगवेगळी असेल. कारण कोणी मोठा असेल कॅपॅसिटन्स, कोणी छोटा असेल. तर hence we are saying that first capacitance will carry Q1 charge, second will Q2, third capacitor will be carrying Q3 charge. So therefore total charge drawn from this potential Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. मग आता Qचं इक्वेशन टाका. We get C1V plus C2V plus C3V. नाव हे तिन्हींचं जर आपण जर विचारात घेतलं, तिन्हींचा कॅपॅसिटन्स, सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द इक्विव्हॅलंट कॅपॅसिटन्स ऑफ पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय Q इज इक्वल टू CPV. CP म्हणजे पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशनचं इक्विव्हॅलंट. पुट दिस इक्वेशन 2 in 1, we get CPV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Common is V on both sides, cancel it. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. For n capacitors, then equation will look like this. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to dash dash plus Cn. And if all the capacities are same, then Cp is equal to Nc. So this is the case of capacitors when they are connected in the parallel combination form. So these equations we are going to use for solving the problems.